So how did you feel about the math excellence workshop?
It was good, but even though if I hate math, that was way better than
Good.
I do at school.
Good.
I like math, but my teacher makes it hard for me. And
And math tutor Tiff, what did she do?
and math tutor, she made it easier.
Oh, that sounds great. What about you, Michaela? How'd you enjoy our math excellence workshop?
I really liked it because at school my teachers like when I get
It right. Sometimes she kind of
Makes it harder?
Yeah.
But today was easy and fun? Good, I'm glad. What did you have to say, Ermina?
I have to say, I love that she taught us times because I never knew what times was. So I'm super glad she taught me that, and she's the best time and math teacher ever.
Great. Okay, Castle Math Tutor Tiff is your math tutor. What did you think about class today?
Super fun. We even got prizes.
You got prizes.
And we got to do a math relay race.
Yeah, they did. Good job. Okay, and then Jay, what do you think? And then they're having their hot chocolate because hard work deserves reward.
because we had candy and it was easy to do the timetables with our fingers and the chalkboard.
Good job, girls. Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.